Recently, the most critically acclaimed festival, Rolling Loud, took place at Mountain View, California at the Shoreline Festival grounds.
The event lasted from Saturday, October 21st to Sunday, October 22nd, 2017. This event's most focus is to show the talent of all artists from all genres.
How did this event come into play, Gianna?
This festival first started in Miami and eventually became the biggest festival in the world. Many people from all ends of the world pay good money to come and enjoy their favorite artists and go crazy on stage and live life on the edge for a day.
During the day, many performances took place. On the Loud stage, big names like Trippie Redd, Smoke Perp, Ugly God, Playboi Carti, and Lil Uzi Vert. And on the way, performers Pierre Bourne, G Herbo, A Boogie, XXXTentacion, and 21 Savage. One of the biggest performances to take place that evening was Travis Scott's set. His set started at 9:45 p.m. and lasted about 25 minutes.
Travis's set was one of the most anticipated performances of the night because of the way his energy interacts with the crowd. His shows are known to leave you with an extreme experience. During the set, Travis brought out a well-known artist, Migos, to perform their collab songs. The night for the Rolling Loud company was a success.
If you did not get a chance to make it to the event, don't worry, you can watch the live stream at revolttv.com.